Hello, boys and girls. I'm going to go over lesson 4.4, and this is on page 165. So if you want to pause the video and take out your book and turn to page 165, this is lesson 4.4. So you are going to use counters to show the problem. So you will draw to show your work. So we have so Austin has 9 red counters in the first 10 frame. So we're going to have 9 red counters. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So for the next one, it says that we're going to have yellow counters, but I don't have a yellow marker, so I'm going to use a blue one. So then we're going to put one more in the 10 frame. So how many more counters do we need to get to 15? How many more do we need to get to 15? Yeah, so we need 5 more. So I'm going to have 5 more. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we're looking at this problem, what could we say the addition problem would be? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 red counters. I'm going to write this up here. 9 plus the additional counters that I put. So I have 1 more plus 5 more. So I have 6 counters to equal 15. So the math sentence for this would be 9 plus 6 would equal 15. All right, so we have turned the page, and now we are on page 166. We are on page 166, and it says that you can make a 10 to help you subtract. So in the first problem we have is 13 minus 9 equals what? So we're going to start at 9, and we're going to count up to make a 10. So we have 9 red markers, and we need to get a total of 13. So I'm going to add one more marker or one more counter to the 10 frame. And then how many more do I need to get to 13? I need 3 more. So that means that I counted up 4. So 13 minus 9 equals 4. Now in the next one, we have 17 minus 8. So we're going to count up 2 to make a 10. So I have 8 red counters, and I have 2 more yellow counters to fill in my 10 frame. And then we need to count up to 17. So then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus those 2 other ones we put in the 10 frame. So we counted up 9. So 17 minus 8 equals 9. All right, so 12 minus 8. So 12 minus 8. So I can use 2 of those. So I have 8 red counters already in the 10 frame, but I have 2 more that I could fill in for my 10 frame. So I'm going to fill in 2 more. So I have 1, 2. So how many more counters do I need to get to 12? Because I already have 8 plus my 9 and 10. To get to 12, I need 2 more counters. So now I can go back and see how many I have added. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12, this is a total of 12, minus the 8 that I already had, equals 4. So you are going to continue on, and you are going to do pages 166, 167, and also page 168. And I hope you have a good day. Thank you.